中国和澳大利亚之间有很多的合作。
This is the launch for a joint bilingualism research lab. It's a joint lab with our partner university, Jinan University in Guangzhou in China. It's a great project for UWS because we are in one of the most multicultural parts of Australia with a very high level of bilingualism, and this lab will offer an opportunity to study bilingualism and to promote bilingualism as a strength for Australian society generally.
The lab's purpose is to have four purposes. One is the excellence in research, and two is innovative teaching, because we will apply the research findings to the language teaching. And the third mission is to service in the community, and the community in the Great Western region, also in China. And the fourth one is we're going to build business ventures in bilingualism, bilingual education, early childhood, bilingual education, all of these areas.
An interest in bilingualism and multilingualism is very much a part of what we want to do, and this will be one more impetus to the collaborations that we want to see unfolding.
今天，双语研究联合实验室的正式成立，将给暨南大学和西悉尼大学的师生、教师和学生提供更多的交换机会和合作研究的可能性。
I was growing up in this country as a bilingual environment as a child, and I realized that when I first came to this country, I sort of lost my identity. So people look at me as neither Chinese or a true Australian, you know. So that the bilingual workshop is important for us to realize that in this country we respect multiculturalism, and also that it is important for us to learn our traditions. And I found it really amazing that I was actually learning my own traditions from a country rather than my own. So
I know as a Member of Parliament, where you actually, with Twitter and with Facebook and with social media and email, a lot of the communications you do becomes very aggressive when it's not personal. But if you're able to sit down with someone and speak to them in the same language, you actually realise the differences that you have are much actually smaller, and it's greater civility between people and between nations. So the more multilingual speakers we have here in Australia only increases the greater wealth and the greater prosperity of our nation.
Well, Australia's gone from being a very monolingual culture within a couple of generations to being a very multilingual culture. However, what we do know about languages other than English is that within a couple of generations, heritage languages start disappearing. So we're looking at supporting the maintenance of heritage languages, and bilingual research is one of the ways of doing that.
Bilingual language is our future, it's our national mind future. I think it's very good for everyone in Australia.
祝你生日快乐，谢谢。